Okay, so look what I found. Keys. I wanted to check kilometers on this, and yeah, just hook up a battery like that. See, we got interiors going. I wonder if this thing will fire off. I don't think you're supposed to do that. Oh, what's this? America. Let's try it. We might get in trouble. Might get in trouble. There might be a little bit of fuel left. Let's see. Oh, someone's got the seat all the way forward. Oh. I don't know if that little battery will make this thing crank or not. Let's find out. Shall we? Oh, there's the fuel pump. Oh no, not enough jam. Damn it. Oh, 209 kms.